Hi there, this is Mr. Ahmad, and in this video, you might be asking why I am on the Fiverr's homepage. Now you might be asking, are we hiring someone? Not really, we are not hiring anyone. In fact, what we are going to do is going to be more interesting than hiring someone off of Fiverr, and that's going to be recreating and cloning Fiverr in WordPress. I'm not just talking about the homepage or its design of Fiverr, they have designed this whole thing really well, but no, that's not our goal. We're not just going to do that because that can be done easily. What we are going to do is, me and you together in this whole series of videos, we are going to recreate Fiverr from start to end and in between all of its functionality, and that functionality includes profiles of freelancers publishing or offering their services, and all of the ordering system, login, sign up, everything, all inside WordPress without relying on any pre-made template or something like that. And I'm going to show you what we are going to do. So we see here that there are so many categories in Fiverr. Each of these pages will be replicated dynamically with precision and with great, attention to detail. Along with that, the core functionality of the Fiverr is basically like freelancers coming in, building their accounts, and then they are offering their services through different categories. So this is what we are going to focus on and build, and you will have all of this inside WordPress. People will be able to come on the platform or the WordPress website. They will be creating their accounts, offering their services, and each service will have their own detail page with the same sort of look, maybe a little bit different, but this is the goal, to have a complete Fiverr functionality right inside WordPress. Now the goal here is to completely rely on Elementor and Crocoblock plugins. Crocoblock offers really great plugins, and we are going to use multiple plugins from that plugin suite. That is going to be the JetEngine, the filters, the forms, and all of those plugins. We are going to use it. My goal is to purely rely on these two combination. There might be a situation in the future which I am not aware of. We might use any other third-party plugin, but other than that, we are going to purely rely on Elementor and Crocoblock plugins. And everything will be done in stages. We are not going to be creating all of this Fiverr platform and WordPress in one video. It's going to be in multiple stages, like part 1, part 2, part 3. And I'm not sure how many parts it will be, but it's going to be an amazing experience. And the interesting part of this whole series is that we are going to explore and we are going to see how scalable WordPress can be, how great it can be while building a scalable platform or a scalable website that can be just more than a website. Along with that, you will also going to be learning a lot of some great stuff that even I have not explored, but it's going to be an amazing journey. So let's get started. First of all, let's plan. Now for planning, what I'm going to do is I'm just simply going to create a Google Doc. So in this document, I'm just going to write like what's our goal, what we are going to do, and some of the key pages we are going to replicate, and what are our requirements, and just follow along the plan. So the goal here is that now I'm going to add checklist, and the checklist is going to be basically pages we need to replicate. Now this is going to be the home page, and the category pages. Then it's going to be individual service page, profile page for a freelancer. The next thing is going to be what should I call it? Freelancer sign in page. Another thing is going to be this, the filters are really important. Okay. The other thing is that what I think, the search functionality is really important. Okay, that's great. I think most of the stuff is done. The mega menus as well. I think that's included in the header. Let's go ahead and review it, like what's something that we are going to do. I think the review system is really important as well. Like for example, if I go to this specific freelancers page, they have reviews, so reviews is important. Yeah, that's good. I'm just scrolling across multiple pages just to make sure that I don't miss anything specific. Okay, if I think these sort of pages are really simple. It's all just linking to specific archives, but yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Before we start, what we are going to do is we are going to need Elementor Pro, and then Crocoblock combination. Now, if you don't have any of this plugin and you want to purchase it, it would be really helpful for me if you purchase it through my affiliate links. My affiliate links are in my description. You can just follow along and purchase it through those links. The goal here is that you're going to completely start fresh, and here I have a completely fresh website, and I'll be following and doing every step right in front of you without anything, in between. So let's log into the website. Actually, this website is not going to be accessible because it's on my local setup. So that's it. The first thing I'm going to do is fix the SSL issue. Now that issue is resolved, let's go ahead and start with a theme. The first basic thing we need is having a very simple lightweight theme, because we need to rely on Elementor and Crocoblock only. You don't need to have a theme that's not lightweight. So let's install Elementor's Hello Elementor theme. That's really basic theme, and it's really good for such sort of a website when you are not relying on the theme. The next step I'm going to do is I'm going to install Elementor, Elementor Pro, and Crocoblock. So now what I've done is that I've installed Elementor Pro, and along with that I've also installed Crocoblock, out of which JetEngine is active right now. Now in the next video we are going to get our hands dirty. We're starting with building our custom post types, our user profiles and everything. So stay tuned. Up until then, have a great day. Bye bye.